everyone, how are you doing? So, welcome to a new reading, and this is a very special kind of reading. And like you can see, I have one, two, three, four, and five different kind of mediums over here, which I will be using to help you to understand the meaning. I'm sure you must have read in the description box by now what this reading is all about, but just to summarize you, this reading is going to be basically a transformational message coming from the universe, and transformational means the inner changes that you need to do. So I'll tell you a brief story of why I thought of coming up with such a beautiful lavish kind of message, because I have been practicing tarot card reading for a decade now, that is 10 years now, and over time I have evolved. I have made certain changes. I'm not saying I'm perfect, definitely I'm nowhere close to perfect as well, but there are so many loopholes that I can think about myself, suppose say 5 years before, and because of tarot I have been able to evolve and develop and become a better person. I have been able to let go and remove so many negativity, so many obstacles, so many blockages in my own behavior. Okay, so I wanted that just the way tarot has helped me to become a better person and evolve and help me achieve my soul's purpose, in a more ethical way, I wanted that why not help you guys also to understand the same. And it's a beautiful time of the year, and I think the energies are transforming and the energies are hinting you towards a change, a new beginning all together. So I thought that maybe let's try to combine some of the best oracle decks I have and give you a beautiful guidance. So yeah, let's begin now. So what I'll do is basically, I will create two pack of cards for you. Okay, so pack A and pack B. So let me just quickly start shuffling the cards one by one and create the decks for you. So first of all, I'll pick up this deck, and I love the look of this deck. It's so beautiful, right? So I'll first of all create two pack of cards for the transformational message, that is pack A and pack B. All right. So for pack A and for pack B. All right. So this is the first deck. Then moving on ahead to this deck. I love this deck as well. It's so beautiful, especially for in-depth energy readings. I prefer using this deck always. Okay, so for pack A and for pack B, let's see what message is coming. All right, so we have two packs ready. We have pack A and we have pack B over here. So while I'm shuffling the cards, why don't you do one thing? While I'm shuffling the cards, you can just start thinking about the changes, the transformation that you wish to bring about in your nature, in your life. And while you're thinking about this particular question, keep seeking guidance from the tarot cards. Keep looking at these two packs one by one and keep asking the tarot, keep asking the universe to help you understand and decode the message that you need to understand, which will help you to bring about the inner transformation, the inner change that is required. So, and once you have done that, you can start commenting below on the tab whether you have chosen pack A, that is this one, or you have chosen pack B, that is this one. Once again, this is pack A, this is pack B, and these packs will help you to basically understand and decode the inner transformation, the inner changes that your soul needs to do maybe or undergo right now in order to be able to achieve its karmic destination faster. So finally we have the packs ready over here. Like you can see, there are two packs finally, pack A and pack B. So look at both the cards one by one, both the packs, pack A, pack B, and think about the transformational things, the transformational goals that you have in your life. Think about what changes you want to do in your life, and once you have done that, you can comment that pack number below and straight away forward to the timestamp. And I would suggest grab a cup of tea or coffee or something, because this is going to be like a long message, so maybe 15 minutes or more. So you might want to start sipping in, or maybe if you want, take a notepad and a pen as well, so that you are able to note down the messages coming from the cards. So now let's begin. Hi, so if you have commented on the first pack for yourself, that is pack A, this is the opening message for you, and clearly it looks like you are still trying to figure out what your karmic goal, what your karmic destination is supposed to be, and it looks like you are trying to look for some kind of answers. Maybe you are walking on the road, but you are not really sure about the destination. This card tells me that maybe you are still looking out for some kind of clarity in terms of where you are supposed to go. Also, this card of wisdom is kind of signifying that maybe you need to start spending time with better kind of people, or people who are better than you in terms of the experience, in terms of the knowledge, in terms of the energy as well. So it might be possible that you have kind of lost track of your goal, or kind of lost track of what you want to achieve in life, and because of maybe surrounding yourself with too much of toxic junk consumption in the form of maybe social media, or maybe in the form of negative energy or some kind of gossip and conversations like that, because of which I think now you're kind of trying to struggle and figure out where is it that your life wants to take you. But the transformational message over here is that maybe you just need to start filtering out the kind of people in your life. So what you can do is make a list of the people who are not very important, and still they are consuming a massive amount of time in your life, and start letting them go. Or if you can't let them go, maybe just start lessening the amount of time you spend with them. All right, because I clearly see also this chariot card over here, which is the card which is kind of telling that, this way or that way. So this is also the kind of message which is telling that, you just look a bit lost, a bit confused, a bit unsure about where life is trying to take you, and what is it that is really supposed to be your karmic goal. But I think the first step will start by filtering out the kind of people whom you know are no longer serving any higher purpose in your life, but still you are trying to attach yourself with them. So that's the message coming for you. First transformational message that is coming for you is that you need to start focusing and selecting or qualifying the people in your life, the company in your life, basically. All right, and not just the people, but even maybe in terms of organizing and managing your time, you need to start managing how much time you spend on mobile phone, on laptop, on social media, on digital consumption, whatever it is. So just start trying to lessen the time over there, and start increasing the time with mother nature, because that's something where if you start spending more time in nature and in some kind of maybe gardening, or going for walks in the nature, I think you will be able to come closer to your divine purpose that is over here, which is telling that in order to really discover your soul purpose, in order to really be at par with your karmic goal, you need to start working more with nature, working more closely with nature. And also the message coming, one more message coming over here is that the second transformational message coming over here is that you need to also start apologizing, letting go, and forgiving any kind of people or relationships with whom you have not had a good uh, ending conversation, or some kind of ending meeting as well, because the message over here tells that your emotions are healing, which enables you to open up to greater love, and Archangel Uriel will help you to release anger and unforgiveness from your heart and your mind. So if there is any kind of grudge, any kind of negativity, any kind of resentment that you're holding on in your heart towards any particular person or any particular relationship, you need to start letting go, apologizing. First of all, you need to start accepting it the way it is, and stop trying to hesitate. And once you start doing that, after that you will start experiencing a drastic change happening in your life in terms of your emotions will start healing, you will start becoming a better person, you will become a happier person, you will be able to accomplish all of your goals, all of your tasks in the amount of time that you have set for yourself as the target goal. So that's the second message, second transformational message coming for you, that you need to start letting go. First of all, acknowledge, then you need to start accepting. Acknowledging and acceptance will go hand in hand, and then you have to start letting go. And then third step is you have to start allowing new energies to enter into your life. Okay, because I think towards the end now, what I'm feeling is that the universe is trying to give you a message that you are very close to decoding your life's karmic purpose, but it is only because of so much of toxic and junk energies around you that you are not able to really become the true version of your highest self. And that is also kind of getting reaffirmed with this beautiful one more message over here, which is coming, which is saying that in order to move into your true self, your highest self, you need to rise above the darkness, and this darkness is nothing but all kind of junk consumption. So the third transformational message that you need to bring about in your life is maybe you need to start working out, or maybe start doing some kind of physical exercise, some kind of yoga as well. Start going for brisk walks, okay, and also start focusing a lot on what you are eating and what you are drinking. So maybe you could just start resorting towards a healthier diet, a healthier food pattern consumption. So all these messages, all these three transformational messages which have come for you are kind of signifying that it's only because you have been surrounding yourself with so much of random unwanted energies that you are not able to figure out what way you have to really go in life. So I think, just to recap once again, first transformational message that you have to focus on is letting go of negative energies, or any kind of um, any kind of people who are no longer serving any higher purpose in your life. For example, even there are people, right, that when you do good in life, when you achieve success, they only try to pull you down, they only try to demotivate you. So the universe is telling you that the more time, the more energy you focus on what they are saying, the more you will be delayed from decoding your highest potential, your soul purpose. So first is start filtering out, start qualifying the people in your life and the energies. Second message that was coming for you is that the transformation coming for you is that you need to start spending more time with nature. So let go of any kind of negative energies and replace that with positive energies in the form of mother nature. It could be animals, it could be pets, it could be plants, it could be just lying down on the grass under the large blue vast sky. And the third message coming for you is that over here, that is, you need to start first of all accepting and acknowledging the relationships and the emotions which you are holding on into your heart, and start letting them go. Because if you don't do that, you won't be able to move into your higher true self, and you will not be able to rise above the darkness. So towards the end, these are the three important transformational messages coming for you. Now let's try to also look at something very, very special which I have for you right now. So I have some beautiful crystals for you. I think this box has just come out, so I'll just remove this. So yeah, okay. So there are certain crystals over here, and I have closed my eyes. I'm not going to look at these crystals, and for the pack A, I will pick up any one crystal randomly and try to interpret what message is coming from the crystals for you. Okay, so this is the message coming for you. This is the orange carnelian, and I think it clearly resonates with the message coming from the cards over here. That is, it talks about being truly honest to what you are passionate about. I think you are kind of letting go, and I think you are kind of not working on what you are really passionate about, and you are kind of just trying to figure out your way because of the negative energies around yourself. But the carnelian reminds you of your true potential, of your infinite potential. This stone carnelian, you can see this beautiful orangish reddish color. This reminds you of the energy of your solar plexus, which is also coming over here somewhere. This kind of energy, which kind of tells you about the infinite potential, the infinite energy, that you are capable of doing anything and everything. All you have to do is start decluttering and start recreating a fresh energy source in your life. And when you start doing that, you will be able to rise above the darkness and become your true self, where there is infinite amount of light. So that is all for this particular pick a card reading. I really hope you enjoyed this message, and I really hope you will work on the message that has been given to you, the 3 transformational messages for you. And like always, there is always an affirmation that I want to share with you. And for this one, the affirmation that you have to comment below is I am confident. Okay, so you have to start commenting below, I am confident. So make sure that when you affirm, when you comment, you are in a way telling the universe that yes, I am accepting your will, I am in sync with the universal's will and desire. So start commenting below, I am confident. And once you have done that, feel free to share this video and like this video with like this video and share this video with as many people as you can, so that the good word spreads and you also get a good karmic energy. So all the best. Thank you so much for joining in. I will see you soon again. Bye bye. Hi. So if you have commented on the second pack of cards, that is pack B, this is the guidance message coming for you. It's a beautiful message, and it gives the message that the first transformation, the first change that you need to bring about within yourself is an internal cleansing and internal kind of purification, maybe some kind of forgiveness that you are trying for a very long time. It could be possible that you are holding on to some kind of guilt or some kind of harsh, strong feeling within yourself. But it's important to remember that towards the end, we all are human beings. So try not to be a perfect version of yourself, and just start accepting and forgiving your own self. Because if you don't forgive yourself, you will not be able to heal yourself. And it's very important to heal yourself if you want to start working on what is truly important in your life. I have a feeling, I don't know why, when I look at this card, that maybe you have done something or you have said something, but maybe over time you have not been able to fulfill it, and now because of that guilt or regret, you are kind of toxing your own self. I don't know if toxin is the right word or not, but yeah, you are just toxifying yourself basically internally. But the message which is coming over here clearly tells that you need to heal, and you need to let go of whatever you are holding on to, and then only you will be able to become a better version of yourself. And also, that's the first transformational message for you, that whatever it is, start letting go, start forgiving yourself, start forgetting about it, and move ahead. Now when you move ahead, you have to understand that maybe you are just beating around the bush. Maybe you are working really hard, you are very passionate about your goals, about your desires, but there is maybe some kind of lack of guidance in what you are doing. So it could be, for example, possible that you want to become really successful in your career, and you work really hard. Maybe you work for almost 10 hours, 12 hours a day, but the problem is maybe that you are not getting success because you are at the wrong place, my dear. So the message over here, which is giving you the guidance, is that you are working utterly hard. You are trying to accomplish all the goals, all the desires in your life, but maybe all your efforts are kind of going in vain because you don't know your audience, you don't know your true karmic career path, you don't know what you're supposed to be doing, because of which all your efforts are literally going into waste. So that's the first important message, that make sure that you feel a connection with whatever you are doing. And in order to feel the connection with whatever you are doing, it's important to first of all let go and heal yourself, forgive yourself, be like a complete, clean channel for the smooth energy to flow through. That's the first message for you. Heal yourself and know what you are doing, and make sure you feel a connection with whatever you are doing. Also, the second message is that is coming for you is communicate. So if I look at the card over here, it's kind of telling that, again, something to do with this healing card over here. It tells that maybe if there is a task, if there is something that you have been planning to do for a very long time, maybe you could be the kind of person who holds a lot of things within your heart. So the second transformational message coming for you is that start giving it back. It doesn't have to be that you become like an orator or something, but maybe you can just start giving back to the society, because when you start expressing your gratitude, your love towards the people around, automatically, it works like a cycle, it comes back to you. So the message for you is that if you really want to forgive yourself, or if you really want to become a better version of yourself, you need to start working on the cycle of karma, that is giving it back to society. That's the second transformational message for you. Do a lot of good karma, do a lot of good donation, help people around, help human beings, help animals, help nature, help your own self. So basically, when you help the environment, you automatically end up helping your own self as well. That's the second important transformational message coming for you. For example, if you have a blockage around your throat chakra, and if you feel you are not able to communicate or express your feelings towards the person in front of you or something like that, then maybe the simpler way could be that you start helping the people around. And when people will start loving you back, your confidence will grow, and that is how you will be able to become a better person in terms of communication and expressing your feelings and desires and emotions as well. So that's the second transformational message for you. Also, if you are in a relationship of any kind, it could be with your maybe a special friend, it could be with your parents, it could be with your siblings, or maybe it could be with your maid or cook as well. If you feel that because of certain things which have happened in the past, you are not able to express yourself, follow this technique. It really works, trust me, it works like wonders. All right, that's the second message coming for you, that is the inner transformation. The third message coming from Archangel Gabriel is that, so I love the way how the messages are interconnecting themselves. It tells that you have an important life purpose involving communication. So communication is the keyword, is the main keyword over here. And Archangel is asking, please do not allow insecurities or the fear of being judged hold you back. And whenever you feel a doubt, or whenever you feel a hesitation in your heart, just invoke Archangel Gabriel, and the angels will always surround you, will always help you to become the best version of your of your true higher self. So this is the third transformational message for you, that you need to start trusting yourself. And in order to trust yourself, you need to start trusting the energies. This particular guidance message that you are watching through this video could be a sign from the angels, that the universe is trying to give you a message that, hey, listen, you need to stop doubting yourself, you need to stop allowing the insecurities to hold you back, and you need to start trusting and letting go. Only when you do that, the angels will be able to take you to a next level. All right, so that's the third transformational message for you. And I love this beautiful card of Lord Krishna, which talks about devotion. Now, devotion doesn't mean that you have to go and worship some god or goddess in a temple. Devotion could just mean a true devotion to yourself. Maybe you are not being honest to your own self. Maybe you are doing something, saying something, but that is not really the way you are feeling. So the message over here, it is telling that your commitment needs to be recognized. Now, commitment doesn't mean commitment to any other person, commitment to your own self. So maybe you are working in a job but you are not honestly happy with the job, or maybe you are in a relationship but you are not really happy in the relationship, and because of which you are having some kind of guilt within yourself and you're not able to let go of that guilt. And now because of that you are kind of losing your confidence, and you are just doubting yourself. So it's all interconnected in a very beautiful pattern, if you now notice. And the message coming from Lord Krishna is that you need to trust your spiritual guidance. Now, spiritual guidance comes from the surroundings, from the messages, even for example in the form of this particular pick a card reading. This is also a spiritual guidance for yourself. So Lord Krishna is telling you to trust yourself, trust your guidance, and love yourself. Okay, you need to stop being so harsh, or you just need to stop criticizing yourself, and you need to start celebrating and enjoying your life, and start enjoying and celebrating even the smallest of success that you achieve in your life. So that's from the oracle cards. And now let's pick a crystal as well. So I have closed my eyes, I'm not seeing the crystals. And now for pack number B, I'll pick one crystal over here. Let's see which crystal for pack B happens to come to me. All right, it's a pyrite. Wonderful. It's a beautiful crystal over here, and the pyrite is in connection with the messages coming from the reading over here, is giving you the message that maybe you need to start believing in yourself, and you need to just start believing in yourself and start becoming some kind of manifestation of an angelic image in your own life. For example, you need to just stop using harsh words or harsh thoughts in your mind, and be like the pyrite. It's called the fool's gold as well. And just the way this beautiful pyrite is shining over here, the pyrite is all about manifesting abundance in all forms, not just in terms of money or materialistic goals, but abundance in all forms. So basically the pyrite is also kind of giving you the message that only when you follow these guidance which I just gave you through the universe, the pyrite will start unleashing its true potential in your life as well. So that's the message coming from the pyrite as well. So overall, I think you got the 3 transformational messages for you. The first one is to heal, forgive, and start accepting of whatever has happened or is happening in your life. Second message, the transformational message coming for you is that you need to start giving it back to the society and start communicating with the people around, and being an honest, true version of yourself. Stop deceiving yourself. And the third transformational message coming for you is that you need to start trusting yourself and the spiritual guidance around you. Okay, trust this reading as well, trust the message coming through this reading as well, and affirm in the comment box below that I am surrendering to the universe. Comment below in the box below, I am surrendering to the universe. Comment, okay, because when you comment, when you affirm, the universe understands that okay, this is what this person wants. So start surrendering. Surrender is the key word for you. Okay, so all the best. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video if you really want to share your gratitude, and share this video with as many people as you can in order to share your love and gratitude. I will see you soon again. Take care. Bye bye.